Take chicken keema, to which add ginger paste, garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies, onion barista, and for the authentic Indian flavor, roasted besan. For the spices, add coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt as per your preference. To this, add a beaten egg for binding the mixture together. Now, mix all these ingredients together and marinate it for 15 minutes. Apply oil to your fingers. Take small portions of the mixture and make small koftas by gently rolling them in your hand. For frying the koftas, in a pan, take refined oil and once hot, gently place the koftas into the pan. Fry on a low flame, turning them over gently as they cook until all the sides are golden brown. Once they are fried, drain most of the oil in the pan and remove them. Until then, join me as we discover the origin of koftas. Koftas are thought to have originated in Persia, modern-day Iran, around the 9th century. Early koftas were made with ground meat, typically lamb or beef, mixed with various spices and herbs. The mixture was often pounded to a fine consistency. Kofta dishes gained significant popularity during the Mughal Empire, which ruled much of India from early 16th to mid 18th century. The Mughals were known for their extravagant and rich cuisine, and they introduced many Persian and Central Asian culinary elements to India. Koftas were often prepared with minced meat, spices, and aromatic ingredients. They were served in rich gravies and enjoyed by the royal courts. Koftas in Indian cuisines have evolved from their Mughal origin to become an integral part of Indian culinary traditions, with both meat-based and vegetarian dishes that cater to a wide range of taste and preferences. For the curry, in the same pan add a bay leaf along with cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. As the whole spices crackle, add ginger paste and garlic paste and cook till the raw smell disappears. To this, add the onion barista and mix. Now, add coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili paste. Add a bit of water and cook the spices to prevent them from burning. Once the oil separates from the spices, take a mixture of yogurt and cashews blended with a bit of water. To this, add a spoonful of gravy and mix them before adding it into the pan. This will prevent the milk solids in the yogurt from separating and give a smooth texture to the gravy. Add salt to taste. Remember, there is salt in the koftas. Now add the fried koftas to the gravy and mix. Add hot water to this and cook. The koftas will soak a lot of water in the gravy, so adjust accordingly. Next, add fresh chilies and cook for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame, then add ghee to this and we are done.